This week we're checking out jazz stripes. Now this deck is a bit of a 90s nostalgia throwback. It's actually designed to look just like the old solo jazz cups that were out in the 90s. They look just like that. And this is actually cool though. It's got a cool design font that says jazz stripes and it's in gold foil like that. Wow. And it goes nice with the design. And it's definitely a recognizable design. Now the next thing we gotta figure out is how we get this thing open, which I think I've figured it out. Except for what's going on with this box. So it's got some weird perforation on it, and it looks almost like this box is designed like a cigarette box. Sorry for lack of a better descriptor, but it's perforated in the front, which is kind of weird, making it really tough to open, so I had to contemplate how I was going to do that. I finally added some pressure in the back and managed to pop it open without destroying the box. It's a real good way to destroy the lid. Just my luck, more cellophane. At least this one has a little pull tab on it, so I'll be able to get this open pretty easily. Now right off the bat, I'm seeing a blank card, which is really neat, a gaff card in there. And we have these stylized jokers, so let's take a look at these first. I have this Joker, which has the old retro design on it, very cool, and a second Joker which also has that retro design on it. And look at that, the Jazz Stripes logo on the Ace of Spades, very nice touch, and pretty normal face cards. The only difference is on these face cards you got the teal color added to them, but not really much creativity in the deck. In fact, most of the cards just look like standard bicycle cards. Once again with the teal, kind of disappointing, you know. But you know, they could have actually done something similar to like what they did with the Dapper deck, and they filled one of the pips on the cards with the design. That would have been cool, like the Ace of Spades design. Just a suggestion. Oh, and what do we have here? It looks like a double back card, but oh, the color's different. Look at that. I think I have a trick for that, I'll show you later, but you can definitely see the color on one of the sides is a little bit darker than the matching back color on the other side. The cards also spread really nicely in a fan, and you can spread them on the table. They look really neat, twist them up, make them look cool. And for 90s nostalgia, who recognizes this? Alright. Alright, so now let me show you how to use that gaff card. So this double back gaff card is fantastic for doing a close-up effect and for finding someone else's card because it's slightly darker than the other back cards, but not so much that it's noticeable. Say you have someone pick a card, in this case the King of Hearts. What you'll do is you'll have them put it back in the pack, but you have a special device, this special gaff card. It'll be on the bottom of the pack. Now, you'll have them cut the deck. Don't forget that card's on the bottom though, so when you cut the cards, whatever the card they cut to, say the King of Hearts, when you put the deck back together, you're going to put the bottom of the deck back on top of those cards. Now, you'll be able to look at the cards, either look at them facing you, like this, and then you'll find that card, or you can do it completely face down. And you can see how dark it is standing out from the other ones, but they're not going to notice that. If you're not being chased, don't run. So just find your key card, and then the card next to it is going to be their card. Go ahead and pull it out, show them their card, and without drawing attention to your key card, just close up the deck. That was the Jazz Stripes deck, and I kind of give it a meh because of the wrapping and how they wrapped it. I didn't like that, but the cards look really cool. If you want to get some more cool cards or some really cool magic tricks, we have it at SleightOfDoug.com. Go ahead and check it out. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the little bell icon so you'll be notified when we have new episodes out. I'm Ian Rentz, and I'll see you next week.